Hi, my name is Bridget Harley. I'm lead clinical audiologist here at the Hearing Clinic in Hertfordshire. Today I want to talk to you about introducing remote microphone hearing aid systems to the school. And there are a couple of things that teachers need to be aware of when using such equipment. The first thing to make teachers aware of is that this equipment is quite expensive and needs to be handled with care. And there are certain guidelines that we do need to follow when using the remote microphone in the classroom environment. Firstly, the teachers do need to know how to switch the instrument on and how to mute the microphone when speaking to a different student privately. Secondly, it is very important that the microphone is placed approximately 15 centimeters from the mouth. If the microphone is too low, then it may not pick up the softer elements of speech. Equally, if the microphone is placed too high, the speech may be sounding too loud and distorted for the child. Secondly, it is very important that the teacher does not wear heavy necklaces or lanyards that can tap on the microphone. If this does happen, the student wearing the earpieces may receive a loud banging noise in their ears. If the microphone does need to be shared between teachers, it is best practice to wipe it down with an antibacterial wipe between sharing the microphone. And occasionally other students in the classroom may need to use the microphone to speak into it as questions are being asked or discussions are being had, so that the child wearing the earpieces can be engaged within that conversation. Again, it is very important to show others how to carefully handle the equipment because of its high value and its delicate nature. Thank you.